Okay, hello all. So this is Tejas from ReNote AI. So I'm the product manager at ReNote. So our application is basically bridging the gap between tradition and technology. So as everyone has grown up, they have grown up with the with writing as one of the key things, and that has been their thing long way. Now at ReNote AI, we are trying to bridge that in such a way that with your tradition, you are able to connect the outer world. It has happened that with the increased digitalization, the that writing is just fading. So we have come up with such a solution that with just a scan, we can just be connected to the world. You can experience the use cases like you can convert to dos, you can send your minutes of the meeting, you can schedule a meetings, and at the same time you can talk with your notes with a AI powered chatbot which was trained by us, and at the same time you can generate you can do generate a rough sketch to a proper image, which helps in boosting your creativity, at the same time helps you in exploring the new ideas. And in coming time, yeah, we are one of the key use cases that we're exploring is into the real estate sector, in education sector, in the retail sector. At the same time, in the upcoming time, we are collaborating with other government agencies to digitize their all the whole the processes. It's really amazing experience. Got to meet a lot of new people, got to explore a lot of new ideas. At the same time, got to explore a lot of other new innovations that are happening around, and it was really good platform for presenting ourselves, and really proud of that.